Yeah, they counted you out. And yeah, they thought you was weak, thought you couldn't handle the pressure. But see, what they don't know is you've been built for this. Move in silence and let your actions talk. Stop trying to explain yourself in words. Move in silence and let your results slap them in the face. Outwork everybody, including the doubters. They relaxing, you working. They partying, you building. Keep that same energy and watch you still standing at the end. Don't fold when it gets hard because pressure either makes diamonds or dust. Which one you gonna be? Because the real ones don't fold, they adapt. Elevate so high they can't reach you. Your glow up isn't for revenge, it's a reminder that they were never on your level to begin with. Keep winning and let them watch. Trust me, they're watching your every move, praying on your downfall. But do me just this one favor, give them a front row seat to your success.